After a long time, Google finally announced some kind of specification of Google Pixel 9 Pro. In 2024, Google used here their latest powerful and gaming chipset, greatest camera setup, and also attractive design. Today we are gonna discuss about Google Pixel 9 Pro. So without wasting any more time, let's get started the video. At first, if I would like to talk about the design of this smartphone, the Google Pixel 9 series, their design something can be different, but the main design will be similar. And the back panel of this smartphone made by glass and plastic. For the glass and plastic back panel, whenever we will use this smartphone without any kind of back cover, that time we will not face any kind of problem for the scratches, because this is the very much premium smartphone. And also the smartphone has IP68. That means we can put this smartphone underwater, even though we can use this smartphone in the rain. If you will look at the back panel of this smartphone, then you will find triple camera setup. And the front panel of this smartphone has a pencil cutout camera setup. You can purchase this smartphone by several colors. So in my opinion, the design of this smartphone was so much incredible to me. What is your remarks of this smartphone? You can inform me in comment box. Then secondly, if I would like to talk about the display of this smartphone. The smartphone has 6.5 inches OLED panel display. And also the display has 120Hz higher refresh rate. As well as you will find Full HD Plus resolution. Not only Full HD Plus resolution, but also it is similar to 4K. The display quality of this smartphone was so much incredible than before. Because in this budget range, this is the super level display. As well as a protection, this display has Corning Gorilla Glass. Thirdly, if I would like to talk about the camera of this smartphone. Just I recently knew that the smartphone has triple camera setup at the rear panel. But which sensor and how many megapixel? That I cannot learn. And as well as at the front panel of this smartphone has a pencil cutout camera setup. That also a hidden information. But you can make a video with 8K and 4K resolution by the camera. Literally, we all know about that. In this budget range, Google is the king of the camera-centric smartphone. That is why we are expecting a great moment for the camera sector. Right now, if I would like to talk about the performance of this smartphone. The smartphone has Google Tensor G4, which is so much powerful chipset. And this is the latest chipset of Google Tensor. The smartphone has 8GB RAM and 128GB for the base variant. As a feature, we will find NFC, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi and everything. But we cannot find 3.5mm audio jack from the smartphone. But we are very much enthusiastic to know about the real performance of this smartphone. So if you are a tech lover, then you can subscribe my channel. Because when the smartphone will be launched, that time I will try to make a full review video for the smartphone. So that was our today's video. I think this video was help you to learn something about this smartphone. If you have any kind of question, then you can inform me in comment box. See you with a brand new video.